So let's create a HTML form over here. So HTML open, head, title, school admission, form, title close, and head close, body open. Let's give the BG color, the background color of the web page as say red, and top margin is equal to 100 and bottom margin equals 100. Okay, now let's open font color equal to say white, close. Let's give form open, let's say first name colon, input type is equal to text, last name colon, input type is equal to text, and let's give break br twice. I need extra space, so I'm giving twice. So I will select this, copy, paste. Next will be password field, so password colon, let's give input type equals password, close, again break, control V. Now let's give some options. So first will be input type equals radio, name is equal to let's say course, close, and let's give the first option. Let's give ICSC, it's the name of the board. Say break, so I'm going to break twice, and I'm going to copy this because I need this thrice. So one is done, number 2, and enter number 3. Now I'm going to give here CBSC, and let's give WBBSC, West Bengal board. Okay, now again break twice, control C, control V, and control V. Okay, next one, we are going to use a submit button. So input type equals say submit, and again break, and input type equals a reset button, and I will be giving a bracket over here, so bracket false, and form close, let's give body close and HTML close, control S, let's give the name as forms, the extension HTML, saving it to desktop, Alt F4, and let's check out the output. This one, double click, and let's see. Yeah, so you can give the first name, so I'm giving the first name. Let's give my channel name technical deep. Let's give the password. Yeah, it's working fine. Password as well, you can see, and let's select, let's see it's working or not. Yeah, perfect, it's working as well, and let's submit. Yeah, so it's resetting. Thanks for watching this video.